Welcome. Now let's go to our main.ts file and do some configuration. So first we will do an import of axios, which will help us make API calls. And then we will do another configuration, which is importing our environment file. So we'll say environment and import the environment, which is the development environment in our case. And here we will say axios dot default dot base URL, and we will give the base URL as environment dot API URL, which means doing this configuration will help us not repeat the same configuration and again and again everywhere. Instead, we will just assume the base URL will be picked up by Axios and it will help us make API calls. Similarly, if we have some common functionality like passing some headers to our every request, then what we can do is we can configure that in the axios.interceptors.request.use by passing a callback function and setting the config.headers as the header name key value pair. And then if we do that setting in the interceptors, axios will use that for every request it will make to the server or the REST API. So we are not using any such headers, so we'll ignore that. But this is a point good to know. So this is the configuration we had to do in our main.ts file. Thank you.